I've got a full kitchen, sitting area. This is really cute. Got television. I'll take you into the bedroom. Got some wardrobes there. And then these doors lead into the bedroom where we can sit and have food. Welcome back to my channel. We are currently on the bus going to an art gallery / museum. Quite exciting actually. So we'll take you along with us. I'll show you my forehead. It's so pretty out today. We're really enjoying the fact that it's sunny right now and really trying to make the most of it, because yesterday it was very rainy. Moments of sunshine, but mostly rain. Legs on fire. So I hadn't realised that I accidentally pressed the S&Q mode on my camera, which meant that the footage I was recording was in complete slow motion and had absolutely no audio. Sadly, this is not something that I realised at the time. However, once home and ready to start editing the footage, that's when I realised that everything I recorded wasn't as I expected. And of course, once I realised, I absolutely cried. Like a baby, bawled real tears. I'd spent so long documenting everything that we got up to in Florence. There was so much to do. We vlogged so much and it was really painful, feeling like I lost my footage. However, I still wanted to show you guys what we got up to and figured I would still put together a video and do the best of what I've got. And yes, I debated on completely scrapping this project and starting on something completely different. But I figured I would still share it because these moments are just as real as when things go right, especially in the tech world when editing. Sometimes it can be a bit unpredictable, but we only really ever see the polished version of things. And most of all, this is a learning to check your footage. Never become too complacent. Always check over your footage after filming. Check over to make sure it's okay, because you never know. Definitely learnt my lesson. And this will definitely never ever happen again, not on my watch anyway. But yes, enjoy the rest of the video. I was able to speed up some of the clips and get them back into real time, however still no audio, so on those pieces I'll do a voiceover. But yes, enjoy the rest of the video and thank you all so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you guys.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep them.
Before dinner we had to get gelato. We'd been saying it since we'd arrived in Italy. So I got the pistachio and apple and cinnamon, and Tash got pistachio and chocolate. It was delicious. And then much later on we went for a cheeky Chinese.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
We'd researched this really amazing viewpoint that allowed us to overlook the whole of Florence. It was stunning. I definitely recommend visiting. We even got to see one of Michelangelo's sculptures of David.
Get on board.
Amazing time. It was really nice. We could honestly have stayed here all day, sitting in the sun, just enjoying. But we're going to head into the city now. So I've been looking for these chips since we arrived. I finally found them. They are amazing. We had them in Rome and I've been looking for them ever since, and here they are. And then we also got some bruschetta as well, or bruschetta should I say. Just arrived at Ponte Vecchio, a very old bridge. I'm sure they said it was one of the eldest in Europe. Perspective. It's in my eyes.